AI is here to stay because obviously that's the direction the world is going in right now. But what is most important to me amidst all this AI storm and everything that's happening in the AI space is how can I make money off AI, right? And in today's video, I'm going to be revealing three AI stocks that I think has the potential to make shitload of money in the future. Now, I'm not trading or investing in these stocks currently, but I just have them on my watch list and I'm going to be unveiling them to you guys today. But before then, my name is Collins King, and what I do on this channel is I go source out great ways on how anyone can make money online, entrepreneurship, side hustle. I vet these updates out, I do the research, I do the heavy lifting, and I bring the end product back to my viewers so we all can make money together. Now, your only thank you give to me is to kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I drop new content like this, and also give this video a thumbs up so we can push it out to as much people as possible looking for ways to make money online. Now, without wasting much time, let's head on to the screen so I can show you guys these three stocks that I have on my watch list and I think has the potential to make shitload of money in the future. Okay, so we're currently on the chart, and I'm just going to say this quickly, right? If you're in Nigeria, the investing platform that I'm making use of personally is called Throve, right? But there are other investing platforms out there like Bamboo, like Throve, like many others. I'll just suggest you do your own due diligence. Don't just go with Throve because I said I'm making use of Throve, okay? But I'm currently on TradingView. TradingView is a trading platform that both day traders and investors use globally. So I like TradingView because I've been using TradingView for some time now. I just use it to analyze the chart and stuff like that. But the first stock that I'm actually looking at or that I have in my watch list is called Nvidia Corporation. Now, what does Nvidia do? Nvidia actually provides like gaming graphics or GPU used in like AI data centers, crypto mining processes, and they do a whole lot more, right? And I'm just going to quickly read through the overview so you can understand what I'm talking about. So you can see here it says Nvidia Corporation engages in the design and manufacture of computer graphics processors, chipsets, and related multimedia softwares. It operates through the following segments: graphic processing unit, that's GPU, Tegra processor, and all others. The GPU segment comprises of product brand, which aims specialized markets, including GeForce for gamers, Quadro for designers. Tesla, just like I said, they do a whole lot of things, right? And if this is something you're interested in, I'll suggest you come on here and go through this for yourself, right? You can just come on TradingView and click on and type in NVDA. That's the ticker name, right? You can see it right here, NVDA. That's the ticker name for Nvidia Corporation. And take your time to like go through all of this information if this is something that you are interested in. And by the way, trading and investing is very risky. So I'd suggest before you even think of putting money behind any of these stocks, and don't just put money behind these stocks because I said they have the potential to make some sort of money in the future. No, before putting any sort of money behind these stocks, do well to do your own due diligence, right? Do well to do your own due diligence, research the company, understand why do you even want to invest behind this company. Okay, so that's it for Nvidia Corporation. Okay, the second stock that I have on my watch list is called Symbotic Inc. Now, what does Symbotic Inc. do? First of all, their ticker name ticker name is SYM, just in case you want to go type that in the chat, right? And what does Symbotic Inc. do? Symbotic Inc. so they provide like IT solutions, like software development, cyber security, and all this kind of good stuff to like even cloud service to like businesses in like United States and Canada, like those kind of locations, right? And you know, like this kind of businesses is something that is going to be here for the longest time, and that's why I say before even thinking of investing in any stock, understand why you are investing in the stock. Personally, I have this long-term perspective with all the stocks that I look at, and that's why I go for companies like this. Now I'm just going to take a quick look. I'm just going to read through quickly through the profile of the company. You can see Symbotic Inc. is an automation technology company which engages in a robotic and automation based product movement technology platform. It focuses on developing, commercializing, and deploying innovative end-to-end technology solutions for supply chain operations. It operates through the United States and Canada geographical segment, and the company was founded by Richard B. Cohen. So, as I always say, everything that I say, take it with a pinch of salt. Do your own due diligence before thinking of investing any sort of penny behind any stock. So that's it for the second stock that I have on my watch list.
And the third stock that I have on my watch list is called C3.ai. C3.ai. What does C3.ai do? So C3.ai, they offer or they customize AI applications for industries like energy industries, like healthcare industries, even like manufacturing industries, that these industries can use to like predict certain outcome within their niche or within their space, and even drive like digital transformation, within their space, right? So that's what C3.ai does. And you have to understand the long-term vision of these companies before even thinking of putting money behind these companies. And I'm just going to quickly read through the overview here. You can see C3.ai engages in the provision of enterprise artificial intelligence software for digital transformation. It delivers the C3 AI suite for developing, deploying, and operating large-scale AI, predictive, analytic, and Internet of Things application, in addition to a portfolio of turnkey AI applications. Okay, this is a mouthful of stuffs, but I just gave you guys the basic understanding of what this company does, and that's one thing that you want to understand for yourself before ever thinking of putting money behind these companies. All right.
Now, just as a disclaimer though, I don't want anybody to go buy these stocks now because I said they have the potential to make shitload of money in the future. No. Do your own due diligence, do your own research, make sure you have reasons why you might want to buy these stocks. And this is just what I think, right? In the future, it might change, who knows? But some of the things that I look out for when buying a stock or when trying to invest in a stock is like the PO issue, the dividends earning, like the history of the company, stuff like that, right? And I'll suggest you do your own due diligence. Don't just go buy the stock because I said it is going to make shitload of money in the future. Trading and investing is fucking risky. The potential to lose a lot of money is there. And if you don't do your due diligence, you could end up losing lots of money. All right. So with all of that being said, we've come to the end of today's video. And if you gained any sort of value, do well to subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I drop new content like this. And also like this video so we can push it out to as much people as possible looking for ways to make money online. Now, let me know in the comment section as well what your thoughts are, and I'm going to catch you guys in my next video.